drop so I can actually hit some of these. Whoa,
There ain't nothing wrong with the damn boat stick. You ain't riding it right.
You know what sucks about riding? Is you blow brown boogers for like 3 days. All right, so we're out here riding at this private track. Whoa! You all right? All right, let's do it. Okay. So we're trying this again. This time Blake wants me to go in front, so I happily oblige. And like I said, we're out here at a private motocross track that I can't disclose the location. I guess I have to miss that jump. That's kind of weird. Huh. I don't know why I can't hit that jump, but apparently I can. So this is the third motocross track that I've ever ridden in my life. And I suck balls. These damn cones. I have no idea why those are there. So this is my first video that I've actually had on my GoPro. And I'm really excited to film these because I love riding my motorcycle. I love talking about myself. No, that's a joke. But I probably do love talking about myself. But I'll try not to talk about myself. Unless I eat shit. Then I can talk about it. I'm still waiting for my balls to drop. I haven't got more than like a 4 throttle. I'm riding a 450. There's little kids out here on like 85s passing my ass. In the same exact damn spot. You alright?
Yeah.
Did you slip again?
Yeah,
This section right here feels like snot when you ride through it. There's some random girl sitting on the edge of the track for no reason. I'm fast on the straightaways. Does that count? Not really. She's taking a picture of me? I hope so. Maybe she wants my phone number. I doubt it. So I got new grips on my bike. And they seem to be working pretty damn good. I mean, they're really comfortable. And I'm liking them. And couldn't be happier. Bought it for 12 bucks off Amazon, which is pretty damn good. Coming down Snot Lane. Man, girl in the blue shirt, videotaping whatever the hell she's videotaping. Train. Oh, that's pretty cool. That was not a lot of braking right there. So, one question I have is that I normally run the bikes in a low gear. I like to lug through my gears. But is that a good idea? What do you guys think? Navigating a little bit on the corners. This corner right here kills me every time. Oh, that's actually pretty damn good. Probably do one more lap. We gotta go. Try this inside again. Not bad. Get over this. Try this out. Slight throttle. Keep on momentum. Look at this jump. We got this one as well. A little short. Almost cleared that one. Whoa! I think that's it, boys. That's the day.